Hello everyone, this is Saurabh Kulkarni, Product Manager for Vishay's Optocouplers, recording from our studio in Heilbronn, Germany. Today I will be talking about Vishay's Automotive Qualified Photovoltaic MOSFET driver VOMDA1271. A photovoltaic MOSFET driver is essentially a configuration of a LED and a detector chip consisting of multiple photovoltaic cells. The LED and the detector are isolated using a transparent isolation barrier. When current flows through the LED, it emits light. This light then travels through the isolation barrier to the detector. The detector chip in turn generates a voltage and current, which would eventually drive transistors such as MOSFETs. The isolation barrier provides the galvanic isolation demanded by certain applications. The performance of such a MOSFET driver is defined using open circuit voltage VOC, short circuit current ISC, turn on time and the turn off time. VOC and ISC are dependent on ambient temperature as well as LED's forward current. Figure 1 and Figure 2 show the VOC and ISC as a function of temperature and LED currents. Figure 3 shows the circuit for the measurement of turn on and turn off time, whereas Figure 4 shows the measurement condition. The turn on time for such a driver depends on the generated ISC, whereas the inbuilt turn off circuit ensures the fast turn off. Now let us discuss a pre-charge application in an electric vehicle's BMS system. The pre-charging relay circuit is empowered using Vishay's MOSFET driver VOMDA1271. In this application, first, the MOSFET driver turns on the power MOSFET and the capacitor charges to a certain level. Once the capacitor has reached this predefined charging, the power MOSFET is turned off and the main switch turns on. With this, the high inrush current is limited by the resistor which is connected in series to the MOSFET and the capacitor. This in turn prevents damage to the connected loads. In a nutshell, VOMDA1271 is an AEC-Q102 qualified photovoltaic MOSFET driver with an open circuit voltage of 8.5 volts, short circuit current of 16 microamperes and turn on time of 32 microseconds. VOMDA1271 comes with an integrated turn off circuit ensuring turn off time of 71 microseconds. It can be operated at higher temperatures up to 125 degrees Celsius. It comes in a small SOP4 package with an isolation voltage of 3750 volts. The VOMDA1271 doesn't need an external power supply and is microcontroller compatible. It can be applied in applications such as isolated gate driver for small signal MOSFETs, IGBTs and silicon carbide MOSFETs in a BMS. It can be used to design custom solid-state relays as well as it can be applied in telematic modules in an automotive. So you can find the datasheet, app note and spice model at www.vishay.com/opto. The VOMDA1271 photovoltaic MOSFET driver is part of Vishay's optocoupler portfolio. Feel free to explore other products from Vishay. I would like to thank you all for spending time in learning about the VOMDA1271 photovoltaic MOSFET driver with me today. I hope you enjoyed the content and find it helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us at the mentioned addresses. Thank you once again.